in the sure and certain hope that together with all who have died in Christ, He will rise with Him on the last day. We give thanks for the blessings. Thank you. Thank you. Staff, Seeta. Thank you. We are going to have Rose Miengo. Staronyo, Starodara. This speech from the representatives of the current students of Seeta schools, represented by Waka and Greg. The staff of Seeta High Schools and Seeta Junior Schools. The staff of Seeta High and Seeta Junior.
High School, Mukono. I have had the second greatest number any teacher has of students met us personally. He was so available. He was such a good teacher that I think that in the media was reported to be, if not the greatest, the best, but among the very best teachers of history in Uganda. He was very dedicated, he was very serviceable, he was very generous with his resources. He was even forgetful of himself, and I want to humbly up say maybe sometimes.
Because there's no one who's the king. There's no proudly in his classroom. Remember our teacher who went above and beyond to make us feel seen, heard, and valued. He didn't just teach us facts or lessons. He taught us how to dream, how to believe, and how to question. In every lesson, there was a spark of passion that ignited in us a love for learning that will forever carry. Mr. Oya Ivan had an incredible ability to make even the most challenging of subjects feel accessible and possible. But more than that, he molded patience, empathy, and integrity, showing us that kindness and respect were as important as academic success. He believed in us when we believed in ourselves, and that belief made a difference.
This Korea, for the 1 year we have been with him, he has been an amazing person. Amazing. Very few words, but everyone speaks out. I remember when the results were out for CSS, and someone made a comment. So I got very excited. And before that was before, he said, no, my results will speak louder than me. And he's one man to us. He has been like the bride who has brought when we are still in honeymoon. We have not had enough of Mr. Away. He has been a candle that has been blown when we still in the heat. Mr. Away has been like a glass of water that has been taken out from us when we still had with us. Words cannot express us to take on the leadership of Mr. Away. To the children, Mr. Away believed in excellence. The excellence we received this year has never been. So just carry on that legacy. There are very few times I've seen this on there without putting on a necktie. Very few, if they are there anyway. That has been him. Mr. Away has not missed any Monday assembly, and yet he has been a grand resident. Mr. Away shall show miss you, but we know this is the same journey. We shall call him off. At one time, we shall meet. I want to thank
for the man I know, when I heard about the circumstances of his death, it worried me. We continue to pray that justice will prevail, that the people who took Ivan's life must be not only repentant, but they must pay for their sins. For a soul like him, that we've known for times, is never harmless, is never harmful, is a very non-violent person. He's one of the peaceful people I know. He doesn't cause conflicts. He's a mediator, he's a friend to many. We've agreed together with him that we're going to carry the banners of our school. From the time to our secondary school, the time we shared at university, the time we shared in Mukono. The life is done. Ivan has been a strong pillar to the family, and his physical presence will always be his and we shall always miss his physical presence. However, the love he shared with us, the kindness he shared with us, his generosity will always be with us. It's within our prayers as a family that we seek justice. We request for nothing more. Justice.
I lost my title. There are times when I don't do things for myself, I start saying. There are times when and he comes in. My only question now is, how will I do it without him? With all that has happened, I don't know how to be. After this, every time the child enters the room and calls them, and she comes back to you, and she asks me where is them. I have no answer to that. Because of some foolish action like for one person, one who will not background his internet. If he does not want something, he will tell you right there and then. But he is also in cahoots with something, he will tell you, I think it's right. Even if it's going to offend you, he knows it's not a good thing or actually I will recommend nothing for when you always come back home so late. And you have just one answer. You will know one day. I think I have the answer now. The legacy was created was to show us how we should work. He has challenged me so. Good morning. It's not a good morning. I'm happy to see all of you. Come to condone with me, come to condone with the child, with mommy, with all of us at the family. I didn't expect this number being in a foreign land. Maybe we might just have a few. But the legacy he left is what's brought us here today. His legacy cannot be forgotten. You said a lot of things, and now
based on the countless students you have met, the teachers you have worked alongside, and the hearts you have had with big kindness and unwavering commitment. As we mourn, let us take solace in the beautiful memories shared. Let us find comfort in knowing that his efforts and sacrifices were not in vain. In dreams and vision for a brighter future through education will continue through us. To the family, please know that you are not alone. You are part of the larger family, our Seeta High family. That mourns with you and will continue being with you in all our prayers. Honorable leads us in the book of Acts from Isaiah chapter 57, verse 1 and 2. It says, the righteous perish and no one takes to heart. The devout are taken away and no one understands that the righteous are taken away to be spared from evil. Those who walk uprightly enter into peace. They find rest as they lie in death. His contribution is institution, and the countless young minds he has helped to shape will forever be remembered. Seeta High has always been more than just a school. It is a committed duty of dedication, integrity, and a shared passion for excellence.
Thank you so much. So we are going to have another moment of viewing of the body of our friend Mukono. Current students of Seeta High, you are the next after history class.
It is possible, you will permit me to say that we shall start with the wife. Hello? Okay. Let's wait for the people to handle that and open.
Current students of Seeta High, you are the next after history class.